everyone, good morning. Imagine you are going for funding in Shark Tank or any other investor meetup. You actually start showing your pitch deck, which is your business PPT, which talks about your past numbers, what are your business goals, what are your vision, and in the end, you talk about the proposed valuation जिस पे आप funding raise करना चाहते हैं. And that valuation is in multi-billion dollars. And one of the investors asks you, so what is the team size of your business? And you smile and answer, just one full-time team member. And that's me. Feels unreal, right? But now, Sam Altman, CEO of ChatGPT, said there'll be a one-person unicorn soon. And that will challenge the current thought process that to become big as unicorn, you really need a massive team size or massive resources. And all thanks to AI, which will make this a reality soon. Have a look at this Forbes article. The future is solo. AI is creating billion-dollar one-person companies. This article talks about the notion of employees which were once unhappy while working for other companies, and later on with the help of AI, they made it really big. Now let's talk about some real examples. Nvidia, I am sure you have heard this name before. They are one of the giant companies in AI, and their current valuation is $4.3 trillion. To give you an idea about this $4.3 trillion, you know what? India wants to become a GDP of $5 trillion. आपने सुना होगा हमें $5 trillion की इकोनॉमी बनना है. So that's $4.3 trillion for Nvidia. You know what? How many employees they have? 26,500 only to make a valuation of $4.3 trillion. That is almost $150 million per employee. इसको INR में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, ज्यादा बेटर कंपेयर करते हैं. $150 million is equal to
1300 करोड़ रुपए.
इमेजिन करो आपने सिर्फ एक एम्प्लॉय के साथ अपनी कंपनी की वैल्यूएशन को पहुंचा दिया है
1300 करोड़ रुपए.
So that is $150 million, my friends. And they are just with 26,500 employees at $4.3 trillion valuation. There are even reports which says that the initial wait in a startup to hire their first employee used to be 6 months. But now the wait has increased to 9 months. So एक startup पहला एम्प्लॉय हायर करने में पहले 6 महीने देख रहा था और अब 9 महीने देख रहा है. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? How are they actually managing? Either through some freelancing work and obviously softwares, AI and systems which really help us to automate the similar tasks. And ऐसे ही और भी सारे data points हैं which clearly proves that AI is making humans stronger and better in capabilities. Hence we need limited employees. अगर एक इंसान पहले वर्क A करता था और अब वो A, B, C, D साथ के साथ कर सकता है, तो obviously A, B, C, D के लिए हमें एक एम्प्लॉय चाहिए और B, C, D के एम्प्लॉय की जरूरत खत्म हो जाती है. So now we just have two paths. One, we either become stronger with AI to attract the lucrative jobs in the market, or two, get into the train of entrepreneurship to provide jobs to others. If you want to know more about making your career in AI and getting a degree in AI, we always put our WhatsApp link in the description. Feel free to reach us out there. Thank you so much. Bye bye.